Let's create a basic object shape to start sculpting in Blender. Method number 1. Let's create a plane that we will need to delete 2 vertices from, leaving us with only one edge with 2 vertex. In object mode, press Shift-A on the keyboard to open the menu. Then select Mesh from the list and choose Plane. Then switch to Edit mode and select Vertex. Delete 2 vertex. Select the desired points using Shift and the left mouse button. Then press the X key and select Vertices. Select an edge. Apply the Skin Modifier. You will get a volume. Select a vertex and press the E key on the keyboard. Then move the mouse cursor in the direction that you need. This can help you create an interesting shape before sculpting. You can also add a Subdivision modifier. To start sculpting, you need to apply the Skin and Subdivision modifiers in the Modifier panel. Then switch to Sculpt mode and continue creating a more complex shape. Thank you for watching. I hope it was interesting. Don't forget to subscribe.